The replication of human intellectual functions by machines, particularly computer systems, is known as artificial intelligence. Expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition, and machine vision are some examples of specific AI applications. Welcome back to our Cajun World channel. Before you watch the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel if you're new and click the bell symbol to receive notifications. You will then not miss any future updates. How people live, work, and communicate has already transformed as a result of the digital revolution. And the action has just begun. Even though the very same technologies that might make billions of people's lives better, healthier, and more productive are also posing new problems for individuals and governments all over the world. We're going to look at the advantages of AI in healthcare now, from disease detection through therapy. Did you know that AI not only reduces patient engagement expenses, but it also enhances communication between patients and organizations, aids in patient follow-up, and frees up resources for higher-value jobs? AI adoption in healthcare has been slower than in other areas, but Sarabu believes the tide is shifting. Across the country, healthcare institutions are beginning to enhance their clinical informatics skills in order to incorporate and evaluate the effectiveness of AI technologies. Clinicians are already using diagnostic AI technologies, but it is unclear how they will affect healthcare delivery operations. Although AI systems can help with diagnostic and treatment plan decisions, physicians must still analyze those insights and suggestions and form their own opinions. Over the next few years, experts predict that more advanced, enhanced AI techniques will be integrated into healthcare services. AI may be applied to both organized and unstructured healthcare data. Machine learning methods for structured data, such as the classical support vector machine and neural network, as well as current deep learning, are popular AI approaches, as is natural language processing for unstructured data. Cancer, neurology, and cardiology are three major illness areas that employ AI techniques. However, AI can also aid in the diagnosis and treatment of diseases and other conditions, not as a replacement for physicians, but rather to support their decisions and make recommendations based on analyses of large amounts of healthcare data such as electronic health records, EHRs, symptom data, medical images, doctor reports, and more. This can assist to enhance and accelerate decision-making when it comes to identifying and treating sickness. This, in turn, has the potential to improve health outcomes and, ultimately, save lives. When it comes to existing diagnostic and treatment standards, there is undoubtedly space for improvement. According to the Institute of Medicine of the National Academies of Science, Engineering, and Medicine, NASM, diagnostic errors contribute to approximately 10% of patient deaths and account for 6 to 17% of hospital complications. A Johns Hopkins study found that the total compensation attributable to diagnostic errors in the United States over the last quarter century is $38.8 billion. However, according to NASM, these concerns are rarely the result of obvious medical carelessness. Rather, they are the result of a confluence of issues such as human error, ineffective coordination between organizations, and significant communication gaps between caregivers. How might artificial intelligence, AI, aid enhance healthcare diagnosis and treatment? AI can assist clinicians in improving therapy by evaluating massive amounts of treatment and patient data to understand what has previously worked for comparable patient cohorts. AI may also be used to design novel medications and more effective drug targeting in order to increase efficacy and decrease adverse drug reactions, ADRs. Atomwise, a San Francisco-based business, has announced a $1.5 billion collaboration with Jiangsu Hansoh Pharmaceutical Group to develop novel cancer medicines. Oncology is using AI apps to spot tumors. Pathologists are using machine vision applications to identify illnesses in body fluids and tissues, and face recognition is utilized to match phenotypes associated with specific uncommon diseases. Smartphone technology. video capabilities, and advanced applications and monitoring gadgets are altering how people manage their health. When utilized properly and in a way that preserves privacy, they can produce a rich mine of real-world data for AI applications. AI and deep learning models may be especially effective for chronic disorders such as multiple sclerosis and epilepsy, where patients require many drugs to control the disease. Clinicians frequently test patients to evaluate which medicine reduces illness symptoms with the fewest side effects in order to establish which medication is best for a specific person. By tailoring therapy suggestions to the patient, AI can make this process more effective and focused, allowing patients to begin treatment with the medicine that is most likely to succeed. How accurate are AI diagnostics? Several researches have demonstrated that AI may be utilized for therapy and diagnosis. A well-trained neural network recognized lung cancer in medical photos faster than qualified radiologists, according to Google researchers. According to a 2019 study published in The Lancet, AI is at least as good as humans when it comes to assessing medical imaging such as MRIs, X-rays, and CT scans. Many AI evaluations, however, are based on inadequate data, and large-scale clinical adoption is not yet on the horizon. The potential of AI to swiftly learn and identify illnesses and ailments has shown enormous promise for faster and more accurate diagnosis and therapy. According to the Lancet study, AI-assisted diagnostics might free up increasingly precious resources while also potentially meeting the growing need for specialists in low- and middle-income nations. 2 instances of AI's potential. Lung cancer. In a study of over 42,000 low-dose computed tomography, LDCT, images, AI performed as well as or better than 6 radiologists in detecting lung cancer tumors. Pancreatic cancer. In a proof-of-concept study at Johns Hopkins Sidney Kimmel Comprehensive Cancer Center, a machine learning tool called CompCyst outperformed current clinical practice in identifying pancreatic cysts with no cancer risk, those harboring cancer, and those requiring immediate surgery. Will artificial intelligence-assisted diagnosis and therapy become commonplace? Although AI is not yet widely employed in most healthcare procedures, experts concur that it is moving closer to being a reality. Companies and governments are spending extensively, notably the NHS in the United Kingdom, which just committed £250 million in a new AI laboratory. In the United States, the FDA has also authorized many AI algorithms. However, all approved algorithms are now of the locked sort. Pharmaceutical businesses have been rather slow to realize tangible advantages from their AI efforts, and there are presently no AI-created medicinal therapies on the market. Bayers Moeller and Dr. Xiaoxian Liu of the University of Birmingham believe that AI can only be equal, and that the true test will be comparing health results of existing procedures to those of AI in clinical trials and scenarios. We hope you have a good understanding of AI applications in the health field. Please like and share this with your friends. I'll be back soon with another intriguing video. Until that time we sign off. Have a good day, and thanks for watching.